the outcomes and the roadmap from being a beginner to a pro without the overwhelm. So, have you ever opened your laptop and thought, there are 100 things I could do today, but which few will actually move my real estate business forward? That fog, too many options, not enough clarity, kills momentum. And here is our promise, my promise. By the end of this lesson, you will have a simple roadmap that shows exactly how we will take you from zero to confident practitioner, step by step, without dumping tools on you. We'll agree on clear outcomes, the skills you will build, and a pace that keeps you comfortable and compliant in Dubai. No dashboards, no jargons, just a plan you can trust. So, what success looks like in this course? When you finish, you will be able to communicate faster with clarity, short, kind messages, clean listing bullets, plain English market notes. Stay Dubai aware and compliant. So you will know where AI speeds you up and where you stay in charge. Permits, official references, and human judgment. Decide sooner with confidence. AI helps you organize, you make the call. Run your day on purpose. Light, repeatable routines that protect you and your focus and your pipeline. Now, your North Star is going to be the speed. Speed. So we track one friendly acronym so you always know what we are improving. S is for speed. How quickly you turn inquiries or ideas into a clear next step. P is for precision. Fewer rewrites, fewer misunderstandings. Dubai aware language. E is for evidence. You can point to official references when needed. E is for ease. Lower mental load. Templates do the heavy lifting. You just personalize. And D is for delivery. Consistent follow through. Messages sent, notes shared, clients updated. Now, if a tactic doesn't improve speed, we skip it. Okay, so here is the roadmap. 4 calm phases. You don't need to memorize every detail, just the flow. And here is the big picture. Phase 1 is foundations. Shared language, what AI is and isn't, how Dubai's landscape works at a glance, ethics and guardrails, light reflection prompts and on-paper templates, no software yet. Phase 2, clean listing language, simple market notes and client-friendly expectations. Boundaries with AI, what it drafts, what stays human. And practice labs start here, small optional builds after the concepts feel natural. Phase 3 would be playbooks, Dubai aware playbooks for secondary sales, leasing and off-plan conversations, reusable communication patterns. Moving on to phase 4, that would be the pro systems, private knowledge assistants, theory and then labs, clarity helpers for documents and team quality habits. Gentle scaling, do more of what works and drop what doesn't. Each phase ends with a short knowledge check and a brief reflection so you progress. So keep this 2-block routine while you study. Daily clarity 20. So 20 minutes to write one tiny asset by hand, a 2-sentence lead reply, 6 fact-only listing bullets, or a 5-bullet market note. And weekly review and test. What worked, what felt heavy, one thing to stop, one thing to keep, and one thing to start. Consistency beats intensity. Tiny wins compound. Now, how we avoid the overwhelm, the course rules. 4 rules keep us calm and effective. Theory practice. Theory first and then practice. So you will see patterns before any screen. One skill at a time. Each lesson is going to carry one idea and one worksheet. Guardrails are going to be everywhere. We stay Dubai aware and keep AI in the assistant box. And have a portfolio mindset. Everything you draft becomes a reusable asset. Your scripts, your bullets, your notes. Next, you pick your path. You choose a focus without pressure. So you can be a generalist, but choosing one focus now helps the material stick. Circle one you will lean forward. secondary sales, leasing of plan. Well, you're not logged in. That just makes your examples feel real while you learn, and you can always then implement it to the other ones. Next is the what is the show tell do will feel like later. So when we get to labs, each skill follows a simple rhythm. Show, that is a short demo, you see the end result first. A clean 5 bullet market note, for example. Tell, we name the pieces, input the guardrails and the tone, and then we do. That is a guided practice. We or you create your version using a worksheet. Then, only later, try an optional practice lab on the screen. That's where we stop. So, do not forget, or even better, remember it and map it. M is for metrics that matter. We track speed and not the vanity numbers. A is architecture, 4 calm phases, foundations, core skills, playbooks, and pro systems. P is for practice, daily clarity, plus weekly review and reset. I is for intentionality, choose a focus, secondary leasing of plan to make learning concrete. And T is for trust, stay Dubai aware, keep AI in the assistant role. Now, do these on paper today. Before you close this lesson, choose your focus. Circle secondary, leasing, or off plan. Write 1 2-sentence reply you're proud to send to any new lead. Draft 6 listing bullets, facts only, for a property you know. Write 3 neutral market bullets for your area this month. And block your Clarity 20 on your calendar. Same time, daily. Now, I'm sure you might be having some objections by now. Something like, I'm scared I'll fall behind. You set the pace. The Clarity 20 keeps you moving on busy days. I forget unless I do it. Now that's why we start the paper practice now and small labs later. So the clicks feel natural. Now what if I switch niches? The patterns are transferable. You will just swap in with new examples, and that's all. And here we are done with this module as well. Do remember that this is just for information. All of the exercises, all of the notes, all of the lessons are for references and examples only. You have to, for the precise rules, laws and regulations, you will have to conduct with the brokerage, DLD, RERA rules. So just refer those and do not consider these as the final ones. Thank you.